Welcome back to the bowling ball tournament. Today we have the Hellcat XLR8 versus the Teal Rhino Pro, and we're deciding what the best solid bowling ball is of 2023 because this is the championship round. And now, to warm up. Feels like it's doing what it did last time. Striking. Let's get 2 more shots. Try and match up here with each of them. With the XLR8, I feel like I'm lined up. I'm gonna go around 18 to probably 16 at the arrows. 18 with my feet starting, 16 at the arrows. So I got a 2 boards difference. If we were bowling on some different patterns, the XLR8 would be 4, 5, 6 boards different with my feet. But the house shot really kind of blends all my balls closer together. So let's clear out the scores and start her up. Teal Rhino Pro's going first, 16 to 14. See what we can do. We got the XLR8. I'm probably gonna go 19. I'm gonna go 1 and 1 again with this one too. Maybe 19 to 16, 17. I don't know if I need to throw it that hard, but look good. So one of the things that I thought was interesting with this Teal Rhino, I thought from the numbers that would be a slightly weaker piece, but with the cover stock being a little stronger, a little smoother than my Rhinos of the past, this one is easily fitting more of a benchmark piece in my bag. That's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, you see it right there. I missed a little up the lane in the oil, and it definitely has the potential to still hook and look good. A lot of times when you miss in on house shots, you might wiggle a little bit, you might get that 7-pin hit, but that was perfect. And speaking of perfect, do you guys remember what happened last time with this ball? All right, I'm gonna slow down the speed a little bit. Hook. Perfect. With the speed being a little slower, I asked it to hook, and obviously it did. Not changing the speed here with the Rhino, keeping that right where it was at, 16 to 14 medium speed. Terrible shot. One was in, one was left, they both struck. So if you guys want to buy that ball, there's a link down below in the description to get all of your bowling gear at buddysproshop.com. If you use the link, it just tells the people that I sent you there. So click that link down below and check out whatever you want. You need tape, grips, you need a new bowling ball, they got everything. I like the Rhino so much I wanted to throw it again. A little slower with the XLR8. Three for 3 with both balls. I can't be stopped. 3 for 3 with both balls. This one just thrown a little harder and straighter. Push. Eesh. Why do I throw so, in the last 3 weeks, I have thrown an unbelievable amount of bad shots. It's probably my lack of commitment to throwing good shots. And I'll tell you guys right now, halfway through this video, if you guys want a chance to win one of our 3 bowling balls that we're giving away as a part of the bowling ball tournament, all you have to do is click that subscribe button down below, and there's a link down below in the description for you guys where if you guys win, we'll be able to email you. So click the link, click subscribe, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away 3 brand new bowling balls. With the XLR8, I tripped a 6 with the last one with the XLR8, so I think I'm actually gonna go back to throwing this at normal speed from the same spot on the lane. I just need to focus a little more, throw better shots. I actually threw that the way I wanted to, but when I upped the speed, hooked a lot less, went a little square off the back end, so. I'm gonna move in 1, because it's not me, it's always the lane. So I'm gonna move in 1, keep that same speed. Maybe instead of throwing them both harder, I should throw them both slower. Big brain. And here we go, the journey to throwing them both slower. I actually had a decent look throwing this slower, so shouldn't be that bad. It'll be the Rhino that'll be the tricky one. 2 with my feet, 1 with my eyes. Still got to project it out to the left. frustrated. I feel like the move was simple and I kind of overcomplicated things trying to stay where I was on the lane, strike from there where I really just needed to move. I learned my lesson. I'm going 2-1 with the Rhino and I'm throwing a slip. Oof. The way the Rhino is going through the pins, it makes me think that that one's gonna win. I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what your record has been so far, as well as which ball you think is gonna win this matchup. I know a lot of you guys have losing matchups or losing records. I also have had a losing record. I currently think the Rhino Pro is gonna win, the Teal Rhino Pro is gonna win. Let me know though. I think a part of the reason I've thrown so many bad shots, lack of commitment to throwing good shots, and I tried to change my targeting system a little bit to look closer to me on the lane instead of look. I sometimes when I get really deep in there, or when I get really, really far left, I like to look really far down lane at where I want my ball to be at the break point, and I got away from that, and it's harder for me to focus when I do that, so just gotta focus more. That's all it is. Keeping everything the same on this one. Oh, it was wiggling. Rhino Pro's gonna need some help to stay in this thing, but gotta keep throwing some good shots. I'm moving 2-1 here, just to try and stay ahead of the move a little bit. And ahead of it we are. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! If you guys are wondering where I got my jersey, I got it from the Madison Jeanette collection at coolwick.com, and I used code PACKY10 for a 10% off discount. So that's just what I did. I'm not promoting Madison's jersey, but I'm not promoting Madison's jersey. I'm moving 2-1 as well with the Rhino. I just 6-pin, giving it a 2-1, making good shots. Hook. Oh my. I told it to hook because I needed just a little more backup. Just a little more backup. This accelerate is once again absolutely dominating. There's always time. There's always time. Money. It feels like a messenger even though it's just a weak 7-pin that got tripped. I'm gonna go back to throwing this Rhino hard from the left because I've moved in and it's looked bad every time. Dang! Shoo-wee! I should have just thrown that hard from the left. Like I know for a fact that left and hard looks good here. I just had such a good look with the accelerate that I wanted to do something similar with the Rhino. And that was just a bad idea. I guess I could keep the average of 276 with this ball. Oh, this one shot 299. A ball could still be averaging 270 though. Why did I do that? Hook. Got a chance for 255. Why do I change my targeting system and I get all off balance? I need to practice. And that is literally the exact same hit I got with the Rhino, the second shot in the 10th. However, that one struck. And now, one shot with the plastic ball. Messenger. I shot 253 with the XLR8, 212 with the Teal Rhino Pro. I still think I just played the lanes wrong with the Teal Rhino. I think if I went left, harder, straighter, I would have struck a whole lot more. So I'll tell you what ball I like most is the Teal Rhino Pro. It's the most versatile. However, the XLR8 just keeps on striking. So with that, that sums up the bowling ball tournament solid bracket where the XLR8 won. The XLR8 must be the best solid bowling ball of 2023. However, you guys can make that decision on your own. And if you want to buy either of these balls, you can buy them at buddysproshop.com. As always, click that subscribe button because we're giving away 3 of these balls at 10,000 subscribers. So let's run that number up. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.